Attorney Baldwin, who's an easy one that I can bring in? A couple of ones.
We can start with Antonio White. In that trial, there's no incomplete witness.
We didn't hear you, Attorney Baldwin. There's no complaining witness.
I'm gonna move my equipment to a different part of the room. Let's look at that reception over here. One moment.
Okay, there you go.
Can you hear me now?
I can.
Is that better?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So let me get my paperwork. So we're ready for dismissal on Antonio White and DeAndre Wilder.
I can't hear you.
Ready on DeAndre Wilder and Antonio White.
Antonio White, okay. And Wilder. All right, I'll open court.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning to you all and happy Love Day to everyone.
Good morning.
All right.
Morning.
Thanks,
Good
Dave.
morning. Good morning. Good morning. Madam Court Reporter, you can hear us okay?
Yes, you're loud and clear, Judge.
Fantastic. All right, I'm gonna call the officer's case first because Officer Thomas White has not checked in yet, Corporal Rule and Officer Hayes, and I believe you're both here for him, is that correct? Yes. Corporal Rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you both are now dismissed at this point in time. He has not turned in himself for the trial, and so you are all set, okay? Stay safe out there, Corporal Rule. Stay safe, Officer Hayes, okay?
Thank you. Have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day.
All right, have a great day, y'all. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. DeAndre Wilder? You hear me, Mr. Wilder? DeAndre Wilder.
We brought in Antonio White as well. Mr. Wilder, are you there?
Yeah, you said Antonio White was ready too, right?
Right, we are ready on that one.
I'll make sure. Antonio White?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can't see you though. So can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antonio White. This is ticket number P1311146. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Antonio White.
Thank you, Judge. This matter is set for trial. There is no complaining witness. Would you consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice, please?
All right, the time is now 9:59 a.m. This matter was set for 9 a.m. on my docket. Although Mr. White joined us a little tardy, he did come today. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for the officer's failure to appear. Sir, they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, Mr. White.
You as well.
I will, thank you. And Mr. Wilder, DeAndre Wilder. All right, we may have to move on to somebody else.
Okay, I'm ready on just about everybody, but there is another just
Okay,
for Beverly Wine, Your Honor.
okay. You said Beverly Wines? Tony Williams?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Williams, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Okay. Okay.
It's not on, but I'll move forward. Now calling the matter of People versus Tony Williams. This is case number, or ticket number SP 1356673. One count improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Bachman, you're on mute.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your full name, please.
Tony Williams.
Thank you. Mr. Williams is here, and in compliance, there's a recommendation to dismiss. I'd stipulate the probable cause for that. Excuse me. Thank you.
All right, seeing that he is now in compliance, I do have that recommendation. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always have your documents up to date and in your car with you at all times, especially when you're driving, okay?
Yes.
All right, sir, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Have a great day.
You too, sir.
All right. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Tiffany Wack?
Yes.
All right. You gotta turn on your camera for me, okay?
Okay.
Man, you gotta feel better and come on home, bro. Stop that.
Now, Miss Wack, you gotta take off your bonnet. This is court. This is live. We're on YouTube. Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Tiffany Wack. This is ticket number 432-759. This is one count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number P1091913. Count one, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1101704. Count one, drove unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, improper place. Mr. Williams, this is court. You cannot smoke in court, sir. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1180688. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number P1066812. One count drove while license suspended. And ticket number U63528522. This ticket is not scheduled until April 12, 2023, but it's one count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, unmute your device. State your name for the record.
You gotta say your name again, Bachman. We missed the first part of it.
Harry Bachman for the defendant.
Go ahead, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Tiffany Wack.
Judge, the defendant's gonna waive rights. Guilty. There's a recommendation here. I'm going to, on her behalf, Probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here.
You know what, she probably just did it off the docket today. Let me see if it includes all these. Please, to
Yeah.
8. I don't know if she knew about the
I
disorderly
don't think I had the
conduct.
disorderly conduct on it.
No, I'm pretty sure you don't. All right, well, she can come back for the disorderly conduct. I just want to include it with today's ticket.
Yeah, well, that doesn't affect her driver's license, so I would recommend that the defendant would come back on that.
Okay, so we will leave you ticket 635-28522 alone for today. The rest of the recommendation, Ms. Wack, is that if you plead to one count of open alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger, the remaining tickets I called on the record today will be dismissed. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 8th. April 8th of 2021. At that time, were you in the area of Santa Rosa and Clarita Streets in the city of Detroit in a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were in that Ford vehicle, did you have some open alcohol in that motor vehicle in the passenger side?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you, Your Honor.
You say satisfied, counsel?
I did. Satisfied.
Okay, and the court is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter one plea of it's not operating, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Passenger side, the remaining tickets are called, with the exception of the U ticket, will be dismissed today. And my fine for open alcohol in a motor vehicle is $240. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
About 60 days.
Okay, I'm gonna have it due for you no later than April 14th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, on the other ticket, ma'am, don't forget to come back to court to handle your other matter on April 1st, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's disorderly conduct, so that's something different, okay?
Okay. It's going to be with the same judge.
Yep, same judge and everything, same Zoom number and everything. You're still gonna come before me, but we didn't include it in the plea today. So just don't not show up, okay? You gotta come that day. Okay, Ms. Wack, all right. If there's nothing further, we'll see you then, okay? April 1st.
Okay.
All right. Is Lamont Williams on my phone? Lamont Williams, unmute yourself. You see him? Is he this afternoon, maybe? All right, Mr. Lamont Williams, I need you to call the courtroom. We don't see you on the docket for today. Can I give you the number, please? 313-96, you got it, 313-965-2293. Okay, go ahead, give us a call, please. DeAndre Wilder. So maybe. DeAndre Wilder.
Your Honor, with your permission, I'm going to bring Miss Chiquita Williams into the main session. That's set for dismissal. She's in the breakout room.
Hold on, you know she got a ton of tickets and warrant status too. You probably did not know this.
Let me
Yeah.
do that then. I'm waiting. I'll leave it with
Yeah,
you.
1, 2, she got an open alcohol, motor vehicle driver. She got no insurance, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are those the same ticket? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets in warrant status.
Okay.
Okay. I can dismiss the other one. I'm sorry, Attorney Baldwin. I know.
Yep.
Yeah. You're not at full strength today. I got it. Okay. Did I tell you that first? I mean, I made copies of them. You ready, Ms. Williams?
We are.
Yes, good morning.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chiquita Williams. This is ticket number P 1333778. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Not on the docket, but in warrant status are tickets number 211681. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number 203987073. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP 383143, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, fail to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 426195, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And ticket number 15557270, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please state your name, please.
Chiquita Williams.
Judge,
All right.
there are stipulation to dismiss the cases on the docket. So we would enjoy and please and thank you, ask the court to ratify those, stipulate the probable cause for those dismissals. As to the matters for which the defendant appears here and there are warrants, we ask the court set aside a warrant, recall any capias, set the matter for a bench trial by Zoom, Judge. These are from 2015.
Yeah, they are from 2015 and 16. One of them is from 22. But yeah, the rest of them are from 15. All right. So on the ticket ending P 1333778, counts 1 and 2, that will be dismissed per the proposed plea offer today. The remaining tickets called on this record today that were in warrant status going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf and set these matters for a bench trial. Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand?
Oh,
Stop trying to take messages. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes.
You can put your hand down. See, I know everything. I know what people are doing because I can see everything, Ms. Williams, okay? You just gotta be ready, okay? All right, I'm gonna, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights, Ms. Williams?
Yes. So you
And
said
it's my
that,
understanding. Yeah, go ahead, tell me.
no, you were saying that which one are we not dismissing?
So we're not, all the tickets that were in warrant status today, we're going to put as a bench trial. So I dismissed the 2 tickets that were on the docket scheduled for today. But the rest of the tickets that you had that were in warrant status, they're mostly from 2015. One is from 2020. We're gonna see what
That's the
officers.
alcohol.
Yeah, yeah. So we're gonna have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
Okay, I want to set it for April 26th. So that gives you plenty of time to get everything in order for that time, okay? April 26th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Okay, so it's still via Zoom though, but at 9 a.m. on April 26th, okay?
Okay, are they gonna send me something in the mail for the Zoom?
They will actually send you something in the mail, but make sure you put it in your phone when you get off of this call too. So just in case it gets crossed up in the mail, you have a copy of it and you know when it is. April 26th at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on these, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, you have a blessing.
You too, ma'am, okay? Next, Sean Williams. Now, Sean Williams.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Nell Shine. Williams. Why you so dark, man? Are you not light? Ticket number P 1348073. Count 1, insufficient or defective lights. Count 2, expired plates. Sir, take off your hat for court. Count 3, driver's license expired. Also calling, but not on this record today. So I don't know if you've gone over Attorney Baughman, ticket number SP 142019171. One count driver's license expired. Ticket number SP 142078111. One count defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
All right, you gotta state your name. I gotta see your face. This is court.
Neil Sean Williams.
Okay. All right, how are we proceeding today, counsel?
Pleading not guilty, we're asking that the matter be adjourned today for another pre-trial. The defendant is working on compliance. He should come back. He's asking for 90 days, as much time as we can give him at this point. Your Honor.
All right, I think we got most of that on the record.
I'm sorry.
I know, it's a little rough. It's all right. All right, he said he needs 90 days. All right. Williams, I'm gonna give you until May 15th, okay? That gives you 90 days, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. May 15th, 2023, I'll set your bond at $0 personal. Sir, for that April date, you don't have to come. Just come back May. I'll make sure everything's on May 15th. So don't worry about the April date. I'm gonna put everything on May 15th and come back that one time to the courtroom at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay,
All right, we'll see you then, Mr. Williams, okay?
thank you, appreciate it.
You are very welcome. You have a good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
I will, thank you. All right. Sade Walker? Sade Walker? All right, Ms. Walker, go ahead, take that hat off. You're a little frozen. Your reception was so much better earlier. Can you hear us?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but the
Morning.
reception isn't the greatest, but you're okay. I'm gonna try and get you back to work, okay?
Okay.
Can you hear us, Ms. Walker?
I hear you.
Okay, now calling the matter of People versus Sade Walker. This is ticket number P 1362229. One count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for defendant. Oh, no.
I know. Dang.
Mhm.
Here
There
she
she
is. Okay.
State your name,
Ms.
ma'am.
Walker?
Sade Walker.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
This is a dismissal, Judge. I stipulate the probable cause.
All right. Having presented now proper documents, the court is going to grant your request. I am going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep your documents in your vehicle and up to date, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, Ms. Walker. Have a good day. Jordan Witcher, sorry. Jordan Witcher.
Yes,
All right, go ahead, turn the camera on for me.
okay.
Now calling the matter of People versus Jordan Witcher. This is ticket number SP 1333846. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2 of that ticket, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number SP 1392094. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1392101, one count, no valid registration certificate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Jordan Witcher.
Thank you. Judge, we're gonna plead guilty here today. There's a recommendation.
Oh, we can't hear you, Mr. Boffman.
There's a recommendation. We're pleading guilty, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I see it's a plea of 001 and 002. 002 is to be reduced to expired plates. Is that right?
That's correct.
All right. Reading from the tickets to establish a factual basis on the date of September 21st, 2022. There we go. Put the camera like that. In the area of 7 Mile and Ryan in the city of Detroit, Ms. Jordan was driving a Saturn vehicle, and it did not have valid registration, and it had expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter 1 count of expired plates, 1 count no valid registration certificate. All right, so one of the tickets is $90. The other is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you to come up with that money, ma'am?
No, because I have other court fees that I'm currently handling.
Okay. How much time do you need? 30, 60 days? How long?
60 would be nice.
Okay. I'm gonna give you until April the 14th to get this taken care of, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right. Ms. Wimberly?
Yes.
Is it Minier?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Minier Wimberly. This is case number SP 1351279. I also have civil infraction ticket number SP 1351163. 1 count 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. I don't think I said well ticket number P 1351279. That's 1 count driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Mingay Wimberly.
Thank you, Judge. We're going to plead guilty. The defendant did the better driver's course, and she's going to now plead to a reduced speeding charge.
Right. Is it still the 11 to 15 or is it something lower than that?
11 to 15.
Okay. All right. Ma'am, reading from the ticket on the date of May 10th, 2022 in the area of Gratiot and Shane in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wimberly was doing 11 to 15 miles over the posted speed. Satisfied, counsel?
So stipulated, I'm satisfied. Thank you.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining count to be dismissed at this point in time. So the court is going to, thank you so much, counsel. The court is going to enter a plea to the reduced charge of 11 to 15 miles. It's a plea of responsible to 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. I think I wrote too much now. Ma'am, that ticket is $150. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. How long do you need, ma'am?
As long as I can get the 14 days is okay.
You need a little bit more time than 14 days? You need 30 days?
Yeah, can I get a month, please?
Yes, you can. So I'll give you until, it's a little short of a month, but I'll give you until March 14th. How about that?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Slow down. I see the
Okay.
real speed you were doing on your ticket on Gratiot.
Okay.
I know it gets a little open in that area, but you can't go that fast on Gratiot.
Okay.
It's not a play, it's a regular street, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, that's my lecture for today. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay, Ms. Wimberly?
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. All right, bye-bye. Nicole Williams?
Hello?
Hello, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
I can't see you. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, okay, maybe I have to go in my settings for the camera. 1 second, I apologize.
Okay. All right, while I'm waiting, I'll call the case, now calling the matter of the people versus. Are these both?
Which one?
Yeah, continue. Now calling you ticket 229-47115. This is one count. False report to police officers. She also has 2 tickets in warrant status. I'm trying to see if they're on the docket for today.
No, she only have one on the docket.
All right, these 2 tickets are in warrant status. This is ticket number 14574-224. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, insurance never acquired. Count 3, unregistered motor vehicle. Also, there's ticket number 216207. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, possession of open intoxicants. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Nicole Williams.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Williams is asking that her not guilty plea be continued here today, that the matter be set for a bench trial by Zoom, please.
All right. If so, Ms. Williams, can you please raise your right hand?
I'm raising it.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baldwin about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Want to set this for a bench trial on the date of April 26, 2023. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. It's going to be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in. But by this time and next time, Ms. Williams, you need to figure out how to get in your settings so that we can see you for your trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, thank you, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you're all set. I'll see you back on April 26th for your trial, okay? You know what? I feel like that was the last one. That was the last. Robert Young?
Yes.
All right, now I know you got some kids around you. You're gonna have to get them or move away just for a moment, okay?
Okay, I'll just go to the other room.
Okay. All right. There she is. All right, we can see you now, Miss Williams. So you're all set for next time, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right. Make sure you get a little something up too for the trial, okay? Put yourself. Yeah. All right, there we go. All right, I'll see you for your trial date, okay?
All righty.
All right, thank you. All right. Mr. Robert Young, now
Yes.
calling the matter of the people versus Robert L. Earl Young. This is ticket P1283-602. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also, you have a ticket and warrant status. Ticket number U60686321. This is 1 count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your full name, please.
Robert Earl Young.
Thank you, Judge. Excuse me, thank you, Mr. Young, and thank you, Your Honor. Judge, the defendant is in compliance as to the traffic matter, the no insurance. He submits compliance paperwork. We'd ask if you would please dismiss that case today. As to the other case, the disorderly conduct, because of the nature of that type of charge, we would ask if we would set that for a bench trial by Zoom, please.
All right. So on ticket number P1283602, the no insurance ticket, the court is going to dismiss that because he now has valid documents. On the disorderly conduct ticket, will you please raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Young, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
That was the attorney you talked to in the breakout room?
Yes.
Attorney Boffman. I know he may not have said his name again, but that's who it was. And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, Mr. Young?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set the disorderly conduct trial for April the 26th, okay? So via Zoom, you're going to sign back in that day, and we're going to have your trial. The officers are going to have to be present, okay?
Okay.
All right, the other ticket got dismissed. Make sure you always keep everything up to date and valid in your vehicle, okay? Because that got dismissed today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. It's at 9 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you back on April 26th.
April
for your bench
26th.
trial. Yes, April 26th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in, okay?
Okay, same courtroom, right?
Same courtroom and everything. It should be me, pending any situations, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. Beverly Wings? All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Beverly Wings. This is ticket P1236863. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Beverly Wimes.
Thank you, Ms. Wimes. The matter is set for trial today. The good Corporal Robbins of the Detroit Police Department did appear, Your Honor. To his credit, he did indicate that he didn't have a proper recollection of the events in question and therefore would not object to my motion here to dismiss without prejudice in favor of the defendant, please.
All right. Based on that, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, ma'am. Make sure you only allow people who are licensed to drive your vehicles and make sure you have proper insurance on your car at all times, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Boffman, I do have one in-person matter. I know you don't know about this. His name is Stephen Wilson.
Okay.
He has 1 count, is consuming alcohol on a public street, sidewalk, something like that, okay?
Okay.
And I don't know if we have an offer for him. We don't.
Is it okay for me to leave the meeting?
Yes, ma'am, go ahead, leave the meeting. I'm gonna try and get Mr. Wilder in here one more time, too. We don't have an offer. Mr. Wilder?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, finally. I've been calling your name for a while. All right, start the video. Do you know? Oh, that's your audio one. Okay. You got 2. From you?
I thought I did this file.
Yeah, you got 2 files. Can we have a-
Thought you were ready.
Yeah, listen, I'm trying to get Mr. Wilder, we almost there. Mr. Wilder?
Yes, ma'am.
Nah, you good. Now calling the matter of people versus DeAndre Wilder. Case number, oh no, he got several. Good, just hold them right there. Oh, here it is. Ticket number SP 1254199. Count. No, we don't need to do that. Ticket number SP 1254118. Count 2. Improper plates. Count 3. Drove a registered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1251763. Failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Ticket number SP 1251762. 1 count defective brake lights. Count 1 of that ticket is failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 3 of that ticket is improper plate. No, I apologize. Ticket number SP 1251750. Count 1, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Mr. Wilder?
Oh, DeAndre Wilder.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Counsel, how would you like to proceed?
There are no complaining witnesses. We move to dismiss without prejudice, Your Honor.
All right. With the tickets on the docket for today, no officer has appeared. The court is going to dismiss the tickets on the docket. Sir, that means that if you have some other tickets or you have some tickets that are in default that aren't on my docket for today, that you need to take care of those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you already took care of 2 of them. So the rest of them that were on the docket for today, though, I am going to dismiss, okay? So make sure you check and see which ones you still have open, if any, okay, Mr. Wilder?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further though, so sir, you're all set. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day. All right, he can come up to the front now. All right, Attorney Baldwin, he's gonna come up and talk to you. Right here. Did I hand you the file? Yeah.
How you doing, sir?
That's the microphone. No, right here. And you speak loud.
What's your name, sir?
Steve Wilson.
Mr. Wilson, do you have a middle name, sir?
No.
Now, that's gonna make it difficult for me because I'm gonna have to sort you out from all the other Steve Wilsons in the history of.
No, I'm Steve Wilson Senior.
Steve Wilson Senior. One moment, it might help. One moment. I'm looking at that up right now. There are 9 pages of Steve Wilson's. What year were you born?
Detroit, Michigan.
What year?
Oh, 1955.
Okay, that makes it easier. 1 minute, I see you. So let's see why they're bothering you, Mr. Wilson. Oh, you got several cases. So you just have 1 in warrant status here. Let me just make sure we're not missing any older cases for you. Yeah, everything else looks to be settled out. You are perhaps the best Steve Wilson in the city.
Oh, thank you.
Let's figure this one case that we have out today. He said it's for consuming alcohol in public. You have a right.
Yes.
You have a right to a trial in that matter, sir. And you also have a right to waive your trial. And if you want to plead guilty and pay the fine, I can talk to the.
Yeah, I plead guilty because I was.
Say less. Say less. until it comes time to actually give the plea. I'm gonna let the judge know what you want to do, but first let me talk to the prosecutor and see if we can get you the case dismissed if you pay the fine. How old are you, sir? 55? That makes you 75 years old?
I'm 68.
68, okay. I'm gonna send the note to the prosecutor. Can Steve Wilson, that's your name, right?
But my birthday is next month, so I'll be 68.
All right. Fine. 96. All right, so Mr. Wilson, I've just sent a request to the prosecutor to allow you to not the fine for that case, and if you pay that fine, then the case will be dismissed. Stand by while I get a response from her, okay? Okay, we are ready on Steve Wilson. Mr. Wilson, the prosecutor has offered that if you plead guilty today, we'll give you 90 days to pay. As long as you pay within that 90-day period, they're actually going to dismiss this case, okay?
Repeat that, Attorney Baldwin, please.
Plea, the recommendation is to take that under advisement for 90 days, Your Honor.
Okay.
He did not hear that, and he doesn't understand.
Okay, so they're saying that the offer right now, let me look up the tickets you have. So the offer that you have, Mr. Wilson, is that it is consume alcohol on a street, sidewalk, alley, or public park, place. So the offer is a 3-month delayed sentence for that, which means that effectively, I have the right to charge you a fine or not charge you a fine. As long as you get no new tickets in the next 3 months, then this case will be dismissed. Or you can have a bench or a jury trial. Those are your options. I think we already had a free trial, so yeah.
And the defendant already indicated he was willing to plead guilty.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna need you to use your big voice though, okay?
The what?
Your loud voice, okay? So the
Oh,
court reporter
yes.
can pick it up when we go on the record, okay?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stevie Wilson. This is you ticket 600-48221. This is one count consume alcohol on street, sidewalk, or alley or public way. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name loud and clear, please.
Steve Wilson, Senior.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
We're going to plead guilty here today, Judge. There's a recommendation for a 90-day delayed sentence.
All right, so what that means, Mr. Wilson, is that I'm gonna ask you some questions, I'm gonna swear you in, and then in 90 days, no new tickets, this will be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, he said yes. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baldwin about your case and rights?
I don't think so.
He was the one on the screen.
No, I didn't have no comment.
You ain't had no comment?
No, I didn't say.
You ain't say anything, but did you listen to him?
Yeah.
So he told you that you have the right, that there can be penalties up to $500 for this misdemeanor, or you can be put into jail for up to 90 days. I'm not gonna do either one of those things. And you have the right to have a bench or a jury trial, and you have the right to have counsel. You understand that, Mr. Wilson?
Yeah.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to plead today?
No.
Say it loud.
No.
All right. Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yeah.
Yes. And do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're gonna give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial by taking this plea? You understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
He understands that.
Yeah.
Understanding all of this, you want to move forward today?
Yes, I should have.
Okay. All right. Now, do you remember this incident, Mr. Wilson?
I sure don't.
You don't? Do you mind if I establish a factual basis by reading from the ticket, Attorney Baldwin?
Oh, yeah, we would stipulate to the 4 corners of the face of the complaint for the purpose of the plea here today.
I appreciate that so much. It just says that back on June the 22nd of 2021, you were in the area of Woodward and West Alexandria, and you had a Milwaukee's Best in your hand, and you can't have open alcohol in public. You understand that, sir?
It was in a bag.
Yeah, in a bag though. You still can't have it in public, Mr.
Yeah,
Will.
well,
All
that's
right.
true. That's true.
All right. You agree to that, sir? Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to 1 count open intoxicant or open alcohol on the street. Sir, are you currently employed?
No.
How did you get down here today?
A bus.
Bus, okay. Do you have any source of income?
Well, I'm on SSI.
Okay. Are you able to do any community service?
Yeah.
Okay. If I give you 25 hours of community service, can you complete that by the 3 months period?
I'm sure I can.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you a number. I'm going to write it down. I want you to call Miss Green and tell Miss Green that you need to do some community service by the time you come back.
Right.
You want to do it in person for your review, Or do you want to try and do it over Zoom for your review? What do you want to do?
Can you repeat that?
Do you want to come back down here for your review date so I can make sure you do these 25 hours? Or do you want to try and do it by Zoom for your review?
Well, I've got to come back down.
You want to come back down? Okay. So I'm gonna give you 3 months. Yep. So you're gonna come back May 15th. Can I have a big post-it note so I can write it down? You're gonna put May 15th.
Okay.
May 15th, 2023 in person. Come down here at 9:30 a.m. Okay, because you got morning docket usually. Okay, you need to do 25 hours of community service. You're gonna call Miss Green. That number is 313-965. Yes, ma'am. 8130, okay? All right. And I'm gonna get the court officer to hand this to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you back down here.
Call him, right?
Call her and tell her that you need to do 25 hours of community service, okay? And then you'll be all set. This will be dismissed.
Okay, I call today.
Okay, call today. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, okay?
Right,
All right,
okay.
all right. Thank you so much. All right, and I believe that's it.
Okay,
All right.
man. Thank you. Happy Valentine's
Good
Day.
day. Have a good day, Mr.
Valentine's
Baldwin. Good
Day.
luck to you, okay?
Hi, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day.
You
Thank
too.
you. Bye-bye.
See you this afternoon, Judge.
We do usually do the afternoon, so it'll
Okay.
kind of go like yesterday, hopefully a little bit quicker though.
Okay. Yeah, it was a little dragging yesterday, but that was
Yeah.
fine.
Okay, I was about to say it was a little lengthy yesterday, but we tried.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, but we do the afternoon today, so. All
Okay. All right. See you this afternoon.
right, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.